So now you'll see that I start working with two brushes. And the reason that I'm doing that is goes back to that what I was talking about before. If you have a brush that has some of the titanium white and some of the yellow, but then you also in that same brush are using the burnt sienna orange, it can mix too much and sort of muddy the yellow color that you're trying to get. And I hope you can kind of see there in that picture how that white has is kind of muddied. So using one brush that was the shadow color and one brush that is the yellow color will will help me keep the yellow brush just a little bit more pure. Um, I I get so into painting that I mix them up a lot. I'll start using the yellow brush and the orange, or the orange brush and the yellow, and I do it a couple of times. But I really just I used to get really frustrated with myself, like why am I not focused on that? Um, but I like being into the painting. It's I just don't want to be so hard on myself that I just forget to enjoy. So a couple of times through painting this, I will look down. Oh, I have two yellow brushes and pinch one out to start again. So it's okay. At one point, I had three brushes working on some of these petals. I had the orange brush, the white brush. I'm sorry, the yellow brush, yellow with white, and then I had another brush that was basically clean that I could come back in and run between the two colors. So um, have a drink of coffee. Um, so use that multiple brush technique. It really does. It really helps. You'll get more quickly the results that you're looking for. I'm going to fast forward again. This is really still all just blocking in. I'm starting to get a little bit closer to what I want the final look to be. You can see lots of real light yellow coming back in here at this point. So the yellow with lots of titanium white added. And again, the same thing on this little petal that comes over the center of this sunflower. If you wanted to paint the center first, you certainly could do that. Um, it probably follows the rules a little bit more if you do what's behind, but I I just let myself paint and I don't get real wrapped up in what um, the rules are. So I'm gonna just kind of forward through this, kind of cleaning it up a little bit, getting a little closer to the final look that I'm going for. But let's see if I could move myself out of the way again a little bit.